Hello guys, welcome to How to PC channel, and in this short tutorial video I want to show you how to delete your account in Kismia. So let's open Kismia and now just follow my lead. So first of all we have to go to the profile tab, just tap here, and now I'm gonna click on the gear icon at the top left corner, so right here, and finally we are in settings. So there are a lot of options, but I'm gonna scroll down to the very bottom, and you can see the logout button, and under this button you can see the sign that says delete account. So tap on delete account. Are you sure? Hide your account if you want to take a break. If you delete your account, all your likes, matches and chats will be gone forever. So you can hide profile if you want, or delete it. So let's delete profile. And here I'm gonna choose a reason why I'm deleting my account. So you can choose whatever you want. Let's select this one and tap on continue. Type here something and tap on continue again. No thanks, and type delete to confirm. Delete, and tap on confirm. And finally, I've deleted my account. It's pretty easy. Well guys, if this video was helpful for you, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.